Hello and welcome to Techfinna YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand how does Odoo inventory management and forecasting by Techfinna works. So this module helps you forecast the sales data based on a history data and the fields that you provide to this application like buffer value, seasonality and override run rate. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you are seeing a list of marketplaces in your Odoo. I can select any marketplace. I'm going to select San Francisco, my company. So the first view is the vendor selection, forecast months and the buffer value and seasonality. Here you have the option to select vendor and you are only allowed to choose a single vendor at a time, and then you can choose the number of months you want to forecast your data for. Like I want to forecast the data till March from the present month. And here you can edit the buffer value. Let's say in the month of October you have a buffer value of 1.5 and it is a multiplier value. You cannot enter more than 2 decimal values here, and you can also add the seasonality of any particular category here also. After changing the buffer value and seasonality, you can click on update to update the values. Now after the update successful, we can go to the analytics screen. Here you can see that we have 3 tables. First is the history sales data, which contains all of the past history sales data you have made till now. In the left side you can view the main table, and in the right side you can view the forecasting table. In the main table, it has all of the required details you would like to see regarding your sales data of any product. And in the forecasting table you can see the forecasting supply and demand total. Now as you remember, in the previous screen we selected the March month, so this application has forecasted me the sales data till March month only. Now in this main table I have so many columns. Now if I wish to drag around any column and play around with the UI, you can do so by just simply clicking on the 6 dots and dragging any column around. Now it also has a cool feature. Like if you clicked on any PP ID of any product, you can see that I can change the row color and I can highlight it as per I require it. The next thing I can do is it has many advanced filters. Like if I click on this filters tab, you can see I have a list of all the columns I have in history table, in center table and in forecast table. Let's say I want to make the serial number column disappear. I can simply deselect it and I can select it back just to view it again. I can also sort all of the products using category. Like if I click on office furniture, all of the products under the Azure interior vendor in the office furniture category, it will sort it out. And if I want to clear it, I can click on the clear button and all of the filters will go away. You can also select the products from here also. Like if I type the 3, I can see that 3 set sofa is searched here. You can now see that we have all of these advanced feature here. And if you wish to export the data in Excel file, you can click on export all data. It will export the data in Excel file. Here now I'd like to share a tip with you. If you'd like to play around with the forecasting month supply, you can change the override run rate of any particular product and you can see the forecasting months change ahead. Now once you're satisfied with the forecast, select the products you want to create RFQ for. Like if I'm selecting all of the products from here, I can create RFQ for it, and the create RFQ button is now enabled. You can also particularly select any product and create RFQ for that single product only. Like if I have now selected all of the products, I'll click on create RFQ button. It will generate a link, and if I click on this link, it will redirect me to an Odoo page, and it will, here you can see that RFQ is generated for all of the products I have selected for a single vendor like this. So great, you can see that this advanced inventory forecasting and management tool has provided so many features and advanced filters also. You can view so many products at a single time. So thank you, that's all for today. And if you have any issue or any suggestion for this module, feel free to reach out to us at info@techfinna.com.